Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Tears of Sorrow in Windrose. You can get Tears of Sorrow by defeating an enemy inside the Cursed Swamp. Now in terms of specific location of where you can find this, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm right by one of the ruins with a flower bed, but the enemy could be present in any other point of interest inside the Cursed Swamp region. And now the enemy that you have to defeat will be these Plague Warriors that are carrying shields and a sword. These enemies are pretty tricky, as they can completely block your attacks and render you immobile for a very short moment if you manage to attack them while they have their shields up. They also have a lot of health, so they're going to take a while of back and forth attacking to get the job done. But in my case, his health is a little bit lowered because of my world settings. Now I recommend just keeping your distance far enough that he doesn't have to hold his shield in front of him, and only attack when the shield's lowered, or during its attack animation. As long as you follow these instructions, then you should be able to dispatch the Plague Warrior. And there you go, you got your precious tears. And that's pretty much about it on how to get Tears of Sorrow in Windrose.